Many people might not realize that a small seed holds incredible power for supporting men's health as they age. Pumpkin seeds, often seen as just a simple snack, are packed with nutrients that can have a profound effect on the prostate. This story begins with an ordinary man in his 60s, a retired teacher who loved road trips but started avoiding them because of frequent restroom stops. Each stop felt like a reminder of an ongoing problem, his prostate health. As men grow older, it is common for the prostate gland to start enlarging. This growth is often linked to hormonal changes, particularly the increase in a compound called dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone fuels the growth of prostate cells, making the gland larger. For some, this may lead to challenges like difficulty starting urination, waking up multiple times at night, or feeling as though the bladder never fully empties. These symptoms not only cause discomfort but can disrupt daily life and reduce overall quality of living. These disruptions can be exhausting. Imagine being pulled out of deep sleep several times a night, feeling groggy the next day, and avoiding activities that once brought joy. It becomes more than just a physical inconvenience, it starts to weigh on one's emotional well-being. There is, however, a simple and natural way to support the prostate: pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are not only versatile but also remarkably rich in nutrients that specifically benefit the prostate. One key nutrient is zinc, a mineral that plays a significant role in regulating prostate cell growth. Zinc helps to keep these cells in balance, preventing unnecessary enlargement and reducing inflammation. Pumpkin seeds also contain a powerful plant compound known as phytosterols. These compounds work to reduce the production of dihydrotestosterone, the hormone that promotes prostate cell overgrowth. By lowering this hormone, phytosterols help slow down the process of prostate enlargement and alleviate many of the bothersome symptoms associated with it. If this insight is helpful, consider subscribing for more ways to naturally support your health and well-being. Here is a quick quiz to make this topic more engaging. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can also support other aspects of health? What do you think is another major benefit of pumpkin seeds? A. Better heart health. B. Improved digestion. C. Balanced blood sugar levels. D. All of the above. Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see how many of you already know the broader benefits of this amazing food. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into daily meals is not only simple but also delicious. They can be eaten raw or roasted, added to salads, or blended into smoothies. Their mild nutty flavor makes them an easy addition to various dishes. Imagine sprinkling them over oatmeal in the morning or using them to create a crunchy crust for baked salmon. While pumpkin seeds are a standout, they work even better when combined with other nutrient-dense foods. Vegetables like broccoli and spinach are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, while berries offer a rich source of antioxidants. Together, these foods create a powerful defense system for the prostate. Beyond supporting the prostate, pumpkin seeds offer additional benefits for overall health. The healthy fats found in these seeds are excellent for maintaining heart health, while their magnesium content helps to regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a perfect choice for anyone looking to improve their overall well-being while addressing prostate concerns. Making small dietary changes can lead to noticeable improvements in everyday life. For our retired teacher, adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to his routine made a difference. After several weeks, he noticed fewer nighttime awakenings and felt more at ease during the day. This change allowed him to rediscover his love for road trips, exploring new places without worrying about constant restroom stops. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a snack, they are a small but mighty addition to any diet. By incorporating them regularly, along with other nutrient-rich foods, it becomes possible to take proactive steps in supporting prostate health and overall vitality. This story reminds us of the power of simple, natural solutions. The journey to better health often begins with small, consistent changes that make a significant impact over time. Friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out other health-boosting videos, links in the description. Hit the like button, share it with others who might benefit, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more helpful tips. Let's prioritize and take control of your precious health. Thank you and see you in our next videos.